Unlocking the mystery. It's all Greek to me. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that often puzzles learners. It's all Greek to me. This expression is a treasure trove of cultural and linguistic insights, and understanding it can not only enrich your English vocabulary but also give you a peek into how language reflects our perception of the unfamiliar. Let's embark on this journey to demystify this intriguing expression. The phrase, "It's all Greek to me," doesn't actually have anything to do with the Greek language being inherently confusing. Instead, it stems from a time when Greek was widely regarded as a complex and scholarly language that the average person found difficult to understand. This expression has been popularized in English literature, most notably by William Shakespeare in his play Julius Caesar. When a character claims he cannot understand a speech because he says, "For mine own part, it was Greek to me," he's essentially saying that the content was as comprehensible to him as a foreign, unknown language. When someone uses the phrase, "It's all Greek to me," they're not commenting on the Greek language itself. Rather, they're expressing that something is completely incomprehensible or bewildering to them. It's a colorful way of saying that they don't understand something at all, whether it's spoken words, written text, or even an action. This phrase beautifully illustrates how language can capture the feeling of being utterly lost in translation. Understanding context is key when using idiomatic expressions like, "It's all Greek to me." It's perfect for situations where you're faced with technical jargon, complex instructions, or anything outside your realm of expertise. Here's how you might use it. In response to technical explanations, "Could you simplify that for me?" It's all Greek to me. When discussing a subject you're unfamiliar with, "I tried reading that philosophy book, but honestly, it was all Greek to me." Remember, while it's a useful expression, it's always good to clarify that you're speaking metaphorically to avoid confusion or offense. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the phrase, "It's all Greek to me." We've explored its origins, meaning, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. This phrase is a wonderful example of how English can borrow from other cultures to express a universal feeling of confusion in a playful and relatable way. We hope this video has illuminated this expression for you and added a charming idiom to your English repertoire. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.